What up, curls? It's Lauren here with another episode of the Simply Curly channel. You want to know how I achieved this afro wash and go look? Well, stay tuned so I can show you how I achieved this awesome quick look. But first, before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe to the Simply Curly channel for new videos every Tuesdays and Wednesdays, all about natural hair, skincare, and lifestyle. Now let's get into it, girls. Alright, girls, so I am going to get started with my wash and go routine. Before I get into that, if you haven't noticed, this is a different scenery. I am at my dad's house, but that doesn't stop this show, okay? I am using Camille Rose hair milk in my travel kit size, and then Eco Styler gel. So I'll put the links below, but that's all I use. A lot of times I will also add leave-in, but unfortunately I did leave my leave-in at home.
It's not funny. It's not funny, okay?
So, but the hair milk will be perfectly fine, especially since my hair is super short. So let's get started. All right, curls, let's get right into it. So I'm sectioning off my hair, getting it ready for the Camille Rose hair milk. So I'm applying that to my back section. I will be detangling with my Pattern Beauty detangler brush, and then following up with the gel. I find it easiest to start in the back for myself, but you can start any place you feel comfortable with and work your hair up from there. It is important to note, curls, that whatever hair that is left last, you will need to reapply water, because the point is to make sure you're adding enough product to define your curls. And if your hair is super dry and you're putting your product on there, your curl pattern will not look the same as the sections in which you started at. So making sure you have a spray bottle with you will be awesome in preparation for those last sections. As this process is the same pretty much all over my hair, I wanted to take the time to just talk about why when I do wash and goes. Now, this style is not my primary go-to. It's only my go-to when I either did not twist my hair the night before, or just want to do something quick and easy and have it be a different style. Now, my favorite style personally are twist outs, and they used to be Bantu knots, but my hair is too short for that style right this second, but I definitely cannot wait until I can do that style again, curls. But this is just a quick and easy style to look really refined, presentable, without doing so much of that hard labor the night before. So I did want to give you all some tips on how to successfully achieve this hairstyle. So along with all the things that I've said before, the first thing is you want to make sure that the products that you're using does mesh together. Now, I am using a hair milk, and I experienced a lot more product visibly in my hair when I was putting the product in. And the product ended up melting in my hair afterwards, and you'll see that later. So it worked out, but it is really important to make sure you are ensuring that the products are meshing well to avoid any visible product on your hair. So if you are using products that do mesh well together, you won't really see this happen. So again, making sure that the products that you are mixing mix well together. And the way you can test this is putting that product possibly on a patch of your hair together or on your skin and see how it dries and see if it flakes up. Number two, making sure that you do know where you're wanting to part your hair. For me, I knew that I wanted to do the deep side part, but wasn't really concerned if it was accurate or anything like that. So I started with that part, and then I felt as if wherever my hair laid, that was perfectly fine. The last tip I have for you is to make sure that you are saturating your strands with the products you are using. And the way to make sure all of your strands get that product is to continuously detangle and comb through that product through your strands. You want to make sure you're doing this to eliminate frizz. I did experience a little bit of frizz at the end of the style just because I should have applied a little bit more gel, but that is okay with me. If you want super, super divine curls after the style, you want to make sure you are applying a lot of gel or you're curling cream that defines your curls. Remember, more gel equals less frizz. Now continue watching to the end of this video to see my results. So curls, this is the final product, and there is a little bit of residue in my hair, but usually I would use like a diffuser or something like that, but you know, I'm not really tripping today. I'm just doing some errands, so I'm just gonna let it air dry and like that product will melt in because I'm just, you know, not doing anything major. But this is the look. All right, curls, and I'll be back to show you all how it looks after my day. So see you guys soon. All right, curls, so I am doing this vlog style. Again, I am at my dad's house, so I don't have my regular equipment, but this is the look. But I did want to show you guys the results. It's super cute.
Oh, kill him. Oh, kill him. Oh.
I have like actually two ways I do my wash and goes. This is like the more afro-y version, and then the other version I do is like I'll take smaller sections and like twirl them so they're sort of like coily. If you want to see that type of wash and go on a TWA, please comment below. The product did melt into my hair, so I was a little bit worried that the actual product that I used for the wash and go wouldn't mesh with the gel, but I mean it dried. So for you guys to achieve the right look and not look crazy with the white residue right away, I would suggest diffusing your hair on cool with a blow dryer, and that way if you do that for like 15 minutes, you're ready to go. The product will melt right in your hair. But other than that, curls, I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, peace and love.